This isn't me, of course.
But I'm sure going to do it.
Tried it once before. Or started it. Don't even know the lyrics. Okay, I'll...
Well, I'm not afraid of the sophisticated kind of style. Yeah, my taste in music went into my folks had wild.
I should get the lyrics, eh?
Mom and Dad had a plan for me with debutantes and symphonies. But I like the music, I like my women wild. Yeah, I like the women just a little on the trashy side. But they wear their clothes too tight and their hair is dyed. Too much lipstick and too much rouge. Gets me excited, leaves me feeling confused. I like my women just a little on the trashy side. Well, you should have seen the looks on the faces of my dad and mom when they showed up at the door with a date for the senior prom. They say, well, pardon us, she ain't no kid. That's a cocktail waitress in a Dolly Parton wig. I said, I know it, Dad, ain't she cool? That's the kind I dig. Well, I like my women just a little on the trashy side. But they wear their clothes too tight and their hair is dyed. Too much lipstick and too much rouge. Gets me excited, leaves me feeling confused. But I like my women just a little on the trashy side. I like them sweet, I like them with a heart of gold. Yeah, I like them brassy, I like them brazen and bold. Yeah, they say well opposites attract, well I don't agree. I want a woman just as tacky as me. I like my women just a little on the trashy side. Yeah, I like my women just a little on the trashy side. Well, they wear their clothes too tight and their hair is dyed. Too much lipstick and too much rouge. Gets me excited, leaves me feeling confused. But I like my women just a little on the trashy side. Let's try the other one. Yeah, I like my women and I'm on the trashy side.
Awesome, awesome. That's classical. Waldo de los Rios, check him out because he did a lot of classical tunes, but he updated them with drums, which I love drums. But oh, hey, thanks. There's one guy out that's putting comments on there that's got me a lot of videos. Really appreciate all the comments, I really do. And if I thought I could do something with it, I probably would, as long as people stand back a ways and turn down the volume. But anyway, really enjoy the comments. So just keep them coming. Who knows?